Hello everybody, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. This is my 10th video of the Christ Diaries, and today I will be talking to you guys about 3 very important tips that you need to keep in mind and be assured of before you sit for your online interview with Christ University. I've discussed about these tips on my live session, but I thought it is very important that I put it across formally for all the people who have missed out the live session. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. The first tip, which I think is the most important, is make sure that you try run all your electronic gadgets. What do I basically mean by that is make sure that your laptop is charged, make sure that your camera is working properly, make sure that your built-in audio or your microphone is working perfectly fine. Along with that, make sure that wherever place you've set up your workstation and where you're going to be having your interview, that has a stable Wi-Fi connection. It is very important that you test run all these things before your final interview, because just in case there are any kind of technical glitches which you face during your interview, it might put you on the back front. If the interviewer would not have a great experience having an interview with you, he might not select you. So it is very important that you do a test run of each and everything. For having a stable Wi-Fi connection, it is very important that you are somewhere closer to your modem, because if that would be the case, then you would not lose Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that you try to do that. One of the best ways that you can do that is try having a mock day or two before your interview and in the same surroundings where you're going to be having your final interview, because that might just make you much more comfortable in the surrounding. Along with that, it would test all features such as the webcam, the microphone, and the stable Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that you have all the things sorted in terms of technology, because last thing you would want is not getting an admit just because of some kind of technical glitches. So let's just avoid that, guys. Number 2 is make sure that your background is either neutral or organized. What do I mean by that is make sure that whenever you're giving your interview, your background is some plain colored wall. If it is not a plain colored wall, make sure that you have organized it in a very nice manner, which means that you can either keep a flower pot, or if you can keep a lampshade, or if you can keep some books, it would be great. Do try avoiding keeping a photo frame or anything like that, because it might just distract your interviewer. So make sure that your background is organized. Secondly, also make sure that there is no kind of disturbance from any of your family members, or any bell ringing, or somebody knocking at the door, or kids running around in the background, because it is a very professional interview, and these kind of things are not a best way to give your interview, and it might not just put a great impression on your interview. So make sure that you avoid any of those kind of things. Thirdly, I know this is going to be one of the toughest tips to follow, but it is really very important, and I humbly request you guys to please look into the camera while you're talking. I know we guys are not used to giving interviews online, and because of that we are not used to looking into that small little webcam on your laptop. But it is very important that you do that, because the interviewer will then only be able to look into your eyes and talk to you. It is very important that you have an eye contact with your interviewer, and that is only possible if you look into the web camera. Also, if you don't look into the web camera, or if you're looking just somewhere down or towards the left or towards the right of your laptop screen, the interviewer might think that you have prepared some kind of notes and you're speaking from that, and that would not put a great impression on your interviewer. So it is very important. I know, guys, this is very tough to do, but just make sure that even for your mocks, you're just directly looking into that web camera, nowhere else. And don't try to move your eyes around, because if you would do that, then the interviewer would not get a good impression, because again he would think that you are either reading, you have some kind of notes prepared, or there's somebody behind the computer screen who is trying to help you with the answers. Also, in general, make sure that the room wherever you're giving your interview, that there's nobody else other than you. Avoid any kind of disturbances from any kind of element that can be present there. So if you follow these tips, it will be great. These tips come in addition to the 7 tips that I've mentioned in my video relating to Christ University interview. So do follow those tips. Along with that, these 3 tips are specifically for all the online interviews. Lastly, I've been getting a lot of doubts in terms of the dress code which you guys should follow. I would highly recommend that you guys wear formal attire, because since it's a professional interview and having a formal attire just says a lot about you, and it just puts a great impression on your interviews. So make sure that you wear formals for your interview. These were all the tips that I had. All the very best for your interview, guys. Work hard and hope to see you all at Christ University. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Also, comment below if you have any doubts, questions or queries. I will try replying to that as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you subscribe to my channel, I'll be motivated to make more videos for you all, and you would get notifications whenever I upload any video. So make sure you do that. Take care. Bye bye.